at this. This guy is able to predict the future. And he's actually like really good at, get this, at telling you what is the best shower filter.
Okay.
Yeah, you want to see?
Yeah, of
I'll
course.
show you.
A hamster?
Yeah. So if you look down and you try to ignore Mr. Doggy,
Okay.
you're gonna notice 3 filters. Kyle, you see those?
Yeah, I also see the one that the dog's standing next to.
Yeah. So Kobe, come over here. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. So now check this out. So I'm gonna put the hamster in here,
Okay.
right? And he's gonna go. Watch this. He's gonna go to the best shower filter. You believe it? No, I'm serious.
Okay.
Watch this.
Alright.
Okay, watch this. Okay, watch. He's gonna go straight to the one in the middle. Watch.
Okay.
Watch this. Watch this.
What?
Just wait. Watch. Watch this.
What?
He'll come back. He'll come back. Watch this.
What? He's not doing anything. He just ran away.
Well, yeah,
He's just running away.
And through the miracle of editing, we've cut to the end, and you can see that he picked the right one.
That's incredible. I
Didn't
never
I
thought
tell
it would
you?
happen.
Didn't I tell you? Will you get back to... Okay, just end the video.